Succulents are known for their resilience, but summer heat can be brutal. If you've struggled to keep your succulents alive outside during hot months, you're not alone. High temperatures, excessive humidity, and sudden summer storms can make it tricky. But don't worry, there are succulents that not only survive but thrive outdoors in summer, with little to no extra care. Let's explore 10 stunning succulents that can handle the heat and still look amazing in your garden. Graptopetalum Purple Delight is a fast grower that forms beautiful, cascading clusters. Its pinkish purple hue deepens in the sun, making it a striking addition to any outdoor space. Plus, it's incredibly easy to propagate, so you'll always have more to share or expand your collection. Graptoveria. Douglas Huth develops a beautiful pink-purple blush under the summer sun. With minimal care, it grows into a full, lush rosette. Regularly removing dead leaves will keep it looking fresh and healthy. Graptosedum. Bronze is perfect for bright, direct sunlight. Its bronze-red tones intensify with sun exposure, and it can go for long periods without water. If it starts stretching, move it to a sunnier spot. It also looks incredible in hanging planters, creating a stunning trailing effect. Aeonium Decorum. Variegata changes colors beautifully in the summer, transitioning through yellow, pink, and purple hues. While it loves sunlight, a bit of shade during extreme heat will keep it looking its best. Reduce watering during its dormant period to avoid overwatering. Corpuscularia Lehmannii, sometimes mistaken for a houseplant, is a resilient summer grower. Its thick leaves will let you know when they need water by slightly wilting, making it a great plant for beginners who worry about overwatering. Sedum Burrito, also known as donkey's tail, is a classic trailing succulent that flourishes in summer. Its cascading stems look stunning in hanging pots. Despite its delicate appearance, it's tough and incredibly easy to propagate. Crassula ovata Gollum is a fast-growing jade plant with uniquely shaped leaves. Unlike most succulents, it enjoys more frequent watering. With proper care, it becomes a statement piece in any outdoor garden. Crassula perforata, also known as string of buttons, forms spiraling stacks of gray-green leaves. It thrives in the summer sun and is easy to propagate by cutting and replanting stems. Kalanchoe Thyrsifolia, also known as the paddle plant, stands out with its fan-shaped leaves. Unlike most succulents, it doesn't hold much water, making it a great choice for humid regions or places with summer rain. Just make sure it's planted in a well-draining pot to prevent root rot. Crassula Campfire is a must-have for a fiery pop of color. Its pale green leaves turn brilliant red in full sun, resembling a glowing campfire. This tough succulent can handle rainy summers but still needs good drainage to prevent root issues. Choosing the right succulents for summer can make all the difference in keeping your garden thriving with minimal effort. Let me know which one's your favorite in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more succulent tips. Your garden will thank you.